everyone, my name is Hunter Woodruff and I'm with Trax North America. What we have here today is what we call the MPEP. It is a multiple-purpose expeditionary platform. Why we call it that is it is built for every mission and any task. Now, what makes these machines so special is they are remote-controlled diesel-powered platforms. The reason we call them platforms is they are customizable and tunable to take on any mission. As you can see here, we have these machines in 3 different configurations. Now, just because they are in a different configuration does not mean that it cannot be turned into or transformed to another in a matter of minutes. Here we have our configuration with a skid steer attachment. This attachment plate can operate any skid steer attachment under 4,000 pounds with a gallons per minute flow rate of 8 gallons per minute or less. Over here, we have our configuration with the forks. This machine here weighs 4,500 pounds and can lift 4,000 pounds. That is 85% of its body weight. It is the only machine on the market that will do that. We also can change our center of gravity in 3 different ways. The forks go up and down, the mast tilts forward and backwards, and then it actually slides over the tracks to change your center of gravity. Our engine is our counterweight. Our engine compartment also has 18 inches of travel to give you more control over the load balance. Our third configuration is what we call a flatform. What we have here is we have our firefighting skid sitting on top of our flatform. This flatform here, which is that piece of steel, can carry 10,000 pounds on top of it. So you can take one machine with the forks or an attachment and you can actually load this machine and have it transport your cargo wherever you need it to go. These machines are powered by a 3-cylinder Kubota diesel engine. They're one of the most common engines in the world, so parts and repair maintenance kits can be found almost anywhere. If you follow me over here, the engine access that you have here to perform maintenance is unparalleled. Without having to take a cab off or having to take a machine apart to work on something, we've made it so simple to access this machine that it takes a matter of minutes to perform any maintenance that you may need to do. Now, another important piece of this machinery is your auxiliary hydraulics. This is all powered by the remote, but these universal bulkheads here can attach to any tool or attachment that you put on the front of this machine to give you auxiliary power. Now, this entire machine is controlled with this remote here of a distance of up to 1,000 feet. This toggle switch controls the movement of your machine. This toggle switch controls the movement of your mast, and these switches here in the middle control the different functions and auxiliary hydraulics that this machine offers. The parts on this machine are all off the shelf, so you can run all-terrain tracks, you can run studded tracks, non-skid tracks if you're operating inside, or any other track that is on the market today. Not only are these machines unique in the way that they have different configurations, but our shop here based in College Station, Texas, also has the ability to create custom solutions for your mission. We can take any configuration of this machine, customize it, put an attachment on it, a tool or a function that would make your job easier.